Hi, firstly, can I say thank you for providing such an amazing course. I've had an absolute ball. I've really enjoyed it. Never really got on brilliantly at school, just kind of got through it. I'm 49 now, and I'm actually had a conditional offer to go to university to study nursing in September. I couldn't have done it without the support of Laura, Martina, Dana, and it's just been such an amazing course. I only finished at the weekend, and I'm just like, I've had such an amazing time, and I really enjoyed it, and I just can't wait to go to uni in September. It's just so well put together, and there's so much support. When you haven't been in education for so long, it's just the best. So thanks once again for putting on an amazing course. I've absolutely loved it, and the sad part of it is I'm not going to be able to interact with the tutors anymore, and I'm really going to miss them because they're so great. Thanks then, bye. If you've been out of education for a long time and you're thinking of going back in, this is definitely the course to do, because they are so good at helping you, and you don't, like when you're at school and you feel like silly for asking questions, they're just so good at making you feel at ease, and you can ask questions, so it's a really lovely supportive environment. I looked around at a few courses, and because I've got various things going on in my life, I decided that the flexibility of this course would be for me, and it's worked really well, because if I've not been able to attend the lessons, I've been able to watch them afterwards, and even if I have attended the lessons, I've watched them online afterwards several times, and that's been really helpful. If ever I've not got anything or understood it, all the tutors have been really helpful, so it's just been great. Thank you.